Okay, now the third one is 2618 alloys. So first one is 2024, second one is 2219, third one is 2618. Okay, here the composition is the carbon amount is less, 2.3% carbon, 1.6% magnesium, and 1% iron, and the other minor elements. So here we can see the magnesium is more, right? In magnesium, we are having 1.6%, though we were having only 0.5%, 0.3% in a previous two, right? So we talk about the properties. What are the properties that we are getting? Here is the temperature resistance, excellent mechanical property, mechanical strength. Okay, high. Sorry, it has having the excellent mechanical strength and the good wear resistance. Wear resistance means when the two components are rubbing together, and due to the rubbing nature, the surface of one other component is going to affect the others. That's why the material at the surface is going to be eroded, and that is known as, or you can say this is the wear. Wear means the removal of the material from the surface. The same thing happens in the corrosion as well, but in the corrosion that you must be clear about, in corrosion that you are also eroding the material of from the surface. Okay, but in that case you are not having the rubbing nature. Two components are not rubbing, or they are not moving together. Okay, but in a corrosion they are just being due to the environment effect. The chemical reaction is going to be happen on the surface, and due to that, it depends. Okay, if it has been written, sorry, it has been kept in the open environment, the reaction would be of with the help of air, right, oxygen. And if they have been kept inside the water, okay, and especially in the normal water or in the saline water, then it will be affected with this environment. Okay, so there basically in a corrosion, or the eroding of material would be happening due to the environmental effect, or there is a chemical reactions. But in case of wearing, the two component which are having the in a contact, and they are having the relative motions, then it would erode the other surfaces. One material will erode the other surface, other material surface, or other component surface. That is known as wearing. So in the both the cases, if we talk about the corrosion or wearing, we are basically removing the material, or we are having the phenomena in which material is going to removed by the on the surface. Okay, but the difference is due to the other element that is in inside the picture of relative motions. They are having relative motions, they are in contact. Okay, but in case of the corrosion, they are nothing is happening like a automotives are in contact, and they are a relative motion, but there is a chemical reactions. Okay, due to the nearby environment. Okay, so this is the difference. So in the both the cases, that material will reduce their efficiency, their strength, their properties will be reduced. Okay, so these are the application part: aircraft engines, components, automobiles, in racing parts, and pistons. Piston, you know what piston is used in cylinders. IC engines, that if you know about, that is the pistons. Okay, so with the help of the piston, that we basically increase and decrease the volume inside a cylinder. And the increasing the section is known as suction, and decreasing the volume is known as a compression. During the compression, we compress the gases or fluid that we are, a working fluid that has been taken inside the cylinder, and due to that, we are having a power stroke. Okay,